What's up everyone, this is JrTech and today we have a massive unboxing from Samsung. This is the CHG90 49-inch monitor. Yes, you heard me correctly, 49 inches. It is absolutely massive. We're going to see what we get inside the box, our first opinion. So let's get started with this massive unboxing. Play that intro. This is a massive unboxing, and it's funny enough because the monitor that we're unboxing right now is actually bigger than the TV that we have set up in our living room at the time. I'm one that typically doesn't pay attention to instructions, but here on the left it just shows you how to take out the monitor, and you are going to need that if you are taking this out by yourself because this is really huge and it's kind of awkward about how long it is. But the first thing we're greeted with right here is the stand, and I'm a big fan of the stand because it looks really sharp. And it's pretty small for how big and long the monitor is. We have more instructions right here on how to take out the monitor, and like I said, you're going to want to pay attention to this if you're taking it out by yourself. The next thing is this little plastic piece, and it's going to snap on the back, so nothing too important. Put that off to the side. Another plastic piece that goes on the back, and it's going to hide your cords when it's all connected. Then right here we have the monitor arm, so this is what's going to connect to the stand and the monitor. I accidentally snapped that off and a little piece broke off. The back piece is plastic and it's not the high quality, but the metal piece in the middle is very high quality. We have a box right here. We have a mount if you want to use it for a wall mount or anything like that. And then it's also really nice that they give you all the different cables inside. So if you want to hook it up to any kind of display, HDMI, any of that, they have it right there. And also some manuals and CD. So let's get to the most important part of this video, and that's going to be the monitor itself. Like I said, you just can't take this off and by yourself and put it on the ground or anything like that. You're going to want to actually set up the stand first. That way you're not going to drop it. So I just want to take these 4 little screws and screw it in. As simple as that. And everything right here is pretty sturdy. With the other bottom half of the mount right here. Same thing, just 2 little screws. Then after that it can be all good to go. With a little plastic piece that I mentioned before, just snaps in the back. It makes it look a little bit cleaner. Alright, so the next step is we're going to turn it up on its side, just like this. And then you want to remove the box. Now is when you get a true sense of how big the monitor actually is. So just take off all the plastic. And you can see how massive this widescreen monitor is. Now just flip it around so you guys have a better view. And there you go. I was super stoked at the moment to set this up, and look at this. First impression is, wow, this thing looks like it should be 2 or 3 monitors, and it takes up most of my desk. You are going to have to make sure that this is actually going to fit on your desk, so that's one thing before purchasing this. To give you guys a little bit better frame of reference, here's my MacBook Pro and also an iMac, and you can tell this monitor is a lot bigger than both of them combined. And so you really just see how much real estate this thing takes up. So this is going to be absolutely great for editing videos, and I cannot wait to check it out further. Well, that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is JrTech signing off. Peace.